Some of the challenges our clients deal with is taking their brand and translating that to the built environment. A lot of times what they're used to working with is something that you can hold in your hand or you see on a screen perhaps. So helping them to navigate those additional nuances into creating a larger space and experience for them is something that we really enjoy here at Downing Displays.
When we first get a project, we do a very good job of talking to our customer to make sure we understand all of their needs. And we go through the whole process of making sure all their artwork is up to par and do a lot of approval process to make sure the end result is what they were after.
It's important that we come up with a creative design that our clients are after that's within their cost range. There are a lot of logistics involved with trade shows, and one of the things that we like to do is help our clients through all the stress of all the logistical side so that they can concentrate more on the strategic side.
My favorite part of working at Downing is that all of the projects are always a little bit different. It's really nice to be able to see a project from beginning to end and work through all the different pieces of the project. Seeing the whole process is a lot of fun.
CES is such an overwhelming environment. It's been great to work with clients and see how we've grown their displays over the years. For someone like Analog Devices, we designed interactive displays that people wanted to physically step out of the aisle to engage with. It's something you can walk into the booth, have a very tangible interaction with, and remember for a long time to come.
What I've learned in many years of doing this is that there really is no typical project. We deal with everything from large to small, to simple to complex. But at the end of the day, what is always consistent is really trying to understand our clients' needs and how we can best represent them to potential clients.
What excites me the most about trade shows is seeing our customers be successful. There's nothing more gratifying than walking onto the show floor and seeing our client's booth packed with people. At the end of the day, it's all about helping them grow their business.